US. तो
Oh, that's great. That's great.
उस
How's the
उसके
response?
लिए अच्छा है. स्टार्टेड 1 year बैक. तो वो मैं भी यूएसए में एक्सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ. हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स, वुडन होम डेकोर आइटम्स हैं. तो अभी मुझे इंडिया में उसको प्रमोट करना है, ई कॉमर्स बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है. तो उसके लिए आई नीड टू नो मार्केट.
Okay, you have any website, Instagram, platforms?
नहीं, अभी वेबसाइट डेवलप हो रही है.
Acha, developing on Shopify,
नहीं, वर्डप्रेस.
WordPress. Okay, great. Uh, Ashish, if you can possible, अगर possible हो आपके लिए, just can you introduce yourself? आशीष,
मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि आपका कोई स्टूडेंट सिखाएगा, बट आप खुद आओगे, नहीं सोचा था.
नहीं
मैंने
like
आपके बारे में आर्टिकल पढ़ा था कि आप इंडिया के फर्स्ट आई थिंक डॉक्टरेट होल्डर हो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में.
yes.
दैट्स रियली गुड.
Thank you. आशीष, are you comfortable so that या फिर हम थोड़े टाइम के बाद आपसे इंटरेक्शन करते हैं. हीना आवाज आ रही है मेरी आपको?
Yeah, sir.
Okay,
Actually, I completed MCA in 2015 and currently I'm running a business of Indori cakes and chocolate.
oh great.
It's an homemade product and I just learned the digital marketing to product about my product and view the customers and getting the orders and all.
Okay,
So I just, yeah.
कैसे चल रहा है ये business, like you're getting orders?
Right now, lockdown benefit it's for me because so many shops are closed right now.
Okay,
So most of the peoples are prefer on a homemade product.
okay, great.
So it's a benefits for me.
Hi Samata, can you just introduce yourself?
So I'm comfortable right now.
Okay, I'll come back to you after Samata.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, I'm Samata. I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal. And I'm pursuing BA LLB right now.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yes. Yeah, lockdown. It's, I don't know, people are getting severe health conditions.
Okay, so now
In
since
my-
Samata, you are pursuing your LLB, what made you think that you should learn digital?
So that I can utilize my this lockdown period in some new to gain some new skills.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Great. Ashish,
Yes. I'm Ashisha and I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal. I'm studying in class 12 as a science student.
oh, that's great. So where are you walking right now?
Right now, I've just completed my gym session, so I'm sorry that I'm not able to maintain your discipline, but I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'll be reaching home in 10 minutes.
Not an issue. So what made you like what's your future plan in digital? Like, have you decided something? Or...
Actually, my goal was to become an engineer, right? But after the era of this digital marketing and all, I thought of gaining a knowledge about it, and you just posted an ad on Facebook. So I thought let's have a conference with you guys and gain some knowledge about it.
Great. Radhika?
Hello everyone, good evening to everyone. I am Radhika Alan. I am pursuing computer application course here at Kathmandu, Nepal. My father owns a cosmetic shop, so I am planning to digitalize my products there. And I was invited here by one of my closest friend, Samata Adhikari. So great, thanks to her as well.
Okay.
Thank you.
Great. Manan?
Hello, sir. I'm from Indore as well, and I'm in my final year of BBA.
Okay.
I'll be graduating next month.
Okay.
And yeah, I've been planning and wanting to do this course since 2 years, but couldn't manage time. So I decided to utilize my lockdown and finally start doing the course.
Okay. Finally. Okay. Hi, Milan.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, my name is Milan Vora. I have done MBA in digital marketing.
Oh,
Last year.
So should I hand over the session to you?
No. Last year I have completed in 2020. I choose digital marketing because nowadays this is the trend. Everybody is like digitalization everywhere. We are using internet. We are we are up to depend on this internet.
So since you already done the digital marketing, you already done the MBA, why you want to again master it? Like I want to know.
No, sir, because I have done the theoretical part most of it,
New
not
age.
gaining the online practice also. So that's why I joined Digital Gurukul. I also follow you on Instagram before earlier this session a year back.
Okay, okay.
So I know about your digital your platforms and all. And I thought earlier that I should practice from you, but due to the lockdown, due to the I am in Banswara, Rajasthan, I cannot come to Indore, so that's why.
Okay, okay. Great, great. Prathamesh?
हेलो सर।
Yes, hi Prathamesh.
हेलो सर, मैं महाराष्ट्र से पुणे से बात कर रहा हूँ।
मराठी येतं तुला?
अरे हो सर।
अरे खूप चांगलं.
सर अभी मैं एमबीए कर रहा हूँ मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट से एमआईटी से।
Okay.
एग्रीकल्चर बैकग्राउंड है मेरा और खुद का बिजनेस भी एग्रीकल्चर का।
अच्छा, एग्रीकल्चर का है. क्या है बिजनेस एग्रीकल्चर में?
सर पीजीआर का प्रोडक्शन है मेरे पास। 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए मैं सर वर्क करता हूँ। 2 लड़के काम करते हैं अभी मेरे नीचे।
ओह, दैट्स ग्रेट. तो क्यों सीखना है डिजिटल?
सर अभी मैंने 2 महीने पहले अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2-3 महीने पहले मैंने खुद डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स किया था पुणे से।
ओके.
सर क्या हुआ, तो कोर्स तो उन्होंने किया पूरा 2 महीने में, मगर बैच इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा। खुद सीओ सर ने सिखा, मगर मतलब जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सीखना था
हाँ.
खुद के बिजनेस के लिए, तो कुछ सिखाया नहीं बढ़िया उन्होंने पुणे से।
वाह.
तो फिर आपको लास्ट ईयर से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, लास्ट लॉकडाउन से।
अच्छा, लास्ट ईयर.
तो इस साल अभी चलो बोला अलग से सीखते, जरा अलग सर टीचर से सीखते।
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ. अच्छा, मेरी टेस्ट है आज, मेरी परीक्षा है कि मतलब मेरा कंपैरिजन होगा आज.
अरे नहीं सर, परीक्षा नहीं बोल सकते, मगर क्या है, मैं लास्ट ईयर ही आपके यहाँ से मतलब करने वाला था, मगर आपके यहाँ से मुझे कुछ कॉल भी नहीं आया वापस, मतलब कंसल्टेंसी के लिए नहीं कि आपके यहाँ से मतलब जो आते हैं कॉल वापस से। मैंने कॉल भी 2-3 बार किया तो कॉल भी नहीं आया वापस, तो चलो लग बाय चांस हो
वो
गया तो
मुहूर्त
नहीं
भी
हो
बैठा ना, आज आपका मुहूर्त बैठ गया बराबर.
गया। हाँ, आज मुहूर्त बैठ गया है।
ठीक है,
तो
चलो.
क्या है वैसे सर, मैंने फ्रैंकली
यस यस, गो अहेड.
बोलूं क्या सर,
हाँ हाँ,
क्या
बोलो.
हो गया फ्रैंकली बताओ तो, जो मैंने क्लास किया 3 महीने का, मुझे जो एक्सपोजर चाहिए था रियलिटी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का,
हाँ
वो
हाँ.
एक्सपोजर उन्होंने नहीं दिया रियलिटी में। मैंने 20-30 हजार जो इन्वेस्ट किए, तो कुछ मिला नहीं मुझे आउटपुट उससे। इनपुट दिया मैंने, सब दिया, रेगुलर क्लास किए, सब किए, मगर आउटपुट कुछ नहीं मिला वहां से। ना प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंट वगैरह कुछ नहीं मिला। खाली सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे अकाउंट खोला, लिंक्डइन पे अकाउंट खोला, वर्डप्रेस पे वेबसाइट बनाई, बाद में क्या फिर।
ठीक है, ठीक है. चलो.
बिल्कुल सेम, मेरा भी सेम एक्सपीरियंस है. मैंने शहीद सुखदेव से एक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का इनका कोर्स आता है, सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का, वो 3 महीने 4 महीने का मैंने परस्यू किया था. बट दैट्स द सेम स्टोरी दैट ही इज सेइंग कि कुछ भी प्रैक्टिकल एक्सप्लेन नहीं करते.
ओके.
Yes. Also.
हाँ, सब आई थिंक अभी स्लो सब पत्ते खुल रहे हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट प्रथमेश स्टार्टेड, देन
तो मैंने कहीं से मतलब सर्टिफिकेशन लिया नहीं है, बट मैंने यूट्यूब लर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैंने लर्न करा है. बट मुझे ऐसे प्रैक्टिकली कुछ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में डाउट्स हैं और कुछ सारी चीजें, तो उन डाउट्स को क्लियर करके एज ए जॉब प्लेसमेंट रिक्वायर्ड.
ओके, ग्रेट. सो आई थिंक मेजरली जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स ने अपना एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किया यहाँ पे, एवरीवन बेसिकली हैव इनटू द बिजनेस या फिर जॉब या फिर स्टूडेंट्स कहीं ना कहीं, दीज आर ऑल फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स. ठीक है. And now you basically want to excel your career in digital, maybe as a job perspective, maybe getting the internship, maybe as a freelancing, maybe expanding the family business, maybe launching your own dream agency in digital. Because I think since lockdown, since last 2 years, I request everyone to, if possible, turn on the video. It would be great to interact with you. You look very good on camera. Okay, you look very beautiful and you have a very good face. So Shobit, I think आपसे interaction नहीं हुआ मेरा.
Yes, sir. I'm just getting some issues.
नहीं, अभी आवाज क्लियर है. Its voice is coming
Yeah,
properly.
now.
Proper है Shobit, go ahead.
Sir, my name is Shobit Khandelwal. I am pursuing BCom from Maheshwari College,
Okay.
and I am learning digital marketing for my as future goals and utilize my lockdown time.
Okay, ठीक है. Now जो मैं भी कंटिन्यू कर रहा था आप लोगों को कि सबका अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट डिजिटल एंड डिजिटल का इम्पोर्टेंस आई थिंक एवरीवन माइट हैव अंडरस्टूड सिंस लास्ट 2 years that how digital has penetrated and changed everyone's life. ठीक है. 2 years back, 3 years back, if you look at this entire digital industry was very new. But now since the lockdown and since everything has happened online, सब लोगों की हैबिट्स हो गई, सबके बिजनेसेस डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ गए. आप देखिए आपके आसपास जहाँ पे भी आप रहते हैं, आपके वहाँ पे लोकल किराना शॉप्स हो गए, स्वीट शॉप हो गए, कोई भी आप छोटा मोटा सेगमेंट ले लीजिए, एवरी बिजनेस इज नाउ वांट टू कम ऑन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. किसी को वेबसाइट बनानी है, किसी को एप्लीकेशन डेवलप करना है, किसी को एसईओ करना है, किसी someone wants to do Google advertisement, and there are many things they want to do, because if you're not promoting your business, ठीक है, you're not gonna get the customer, right? So marketing is the essence for all the business. कोई बिजनेस ऐसा बोल दिया हम मार्केटिंग करेंगे नहीं, कस्टमर हमारे पास आ जाएंगे, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग प्रेमाइसेस. यू नीड टू बेसिकली डू अ मार्केटिंग टू रीच आउट टू द कस्टमर. आपके आसपास भी आप देखोगे बहुत लोकल मार्केटिंग लोग बिफोर द लॉकडाउन करते थे, पैम्पलेट्स, newspaper, radio, TV. These are some of the traditional medium that used to do. Now since last many years, आप खुद ही देखो, आपके खुद के घर पे देखो आप, ठीक है, आप कितने डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म से एडिक्ट हो गए हो. यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, आप अपने पेरेंट्स को चेक करो, यू चेक योर इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज, व्हाट्सएप स्टोरीज. आपको शॉपिंग करनी है, आपको कुछ फूड ऑर्डर करना है, आपको पेमेंट ट्रांसफर करना है, ठीक है, you want to pay any bills, every activity right now is happening in digital platform. Yes or no? Yes or no? ठीक है. Now with every activity happening on digital platform, as a small business, would you prefer to do advertisement on the traditional platform, which is basically shrinking, or would you prefer to showcase your brand on digital platform where people are spending their time? Which one would you prefer to do?
We will prefer modern tool.
Okay, you prefer a modern platform, you will prefer a digital platform, because these are some of the platforms जहाँ पे businesses are coming in. ठीक है, since businesses are coming in, there is a huge demand of digital marketers which can handle and manage their businesses. Because if let's say some businesses want to come on digital platforms, what they will demand, okay, they want to get their website done, they want to get the campaigns done, they want to get the social media marketing campaigns done, they want to get the advertisement. There are all the advertisement activities जो उनको करनी है, बट वो क्यों नहीं कर पाते हैं? बिकॉज उनको एक क्वालिफाइड डिजिटल मार्केटर नहीं मिल पाता. सो यहाँ पे आप लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट आती है एज अ डिजिटल प्रोफेशनल. आई नॉट यूज अ मार्केटिंग वर्ड, because now with the corona, like you're not just a digital marketing professional, you are a digital professional which can help the businesses, not only the marketing but also the finance, also the organization strategy. So you are a full-fledged digital professional. Now here comes a third opportunity for you. Now agar let's say Shivangi has a business, Ashish has a business, Hina has a business. Now there is one opportunity where individual can pitch in, there is another opportunity where agency can pitch in. Okay, so let's say if I have an agency and I have a 3 or 4 person working for me, ठीक है, 3 से 4 लोगों की मेरी टीम है, बहुत छोटी सी टीम है, और मेरे को पता है कि देयर इज इन 3 और 4 टीम मेरे पास कोई कंटेंट राइटर है, कोई सोशल मीडिया मार्केटर है, कोई गूगल एडवर्टीजमेंट वाला है. अगर ये सारे लोग एक पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस को डिजिटल पे लेके आने के लिए मदद करेंगे, सो एज ए एजेंसी आई विल पिच टू शिवांगी की मैम यू हैव अ बिजनेस, कैन यू जस्ट वी कैन हेल्प यू आउट इन एक्सपांडिंग योर बिजनेस and you can get the more revenues out of it. I can pitch to Hina ki Hina, you already have a business but you're not getting a revenue. I can help you in expanding the business internationally. So this is how you can launch your agency and you can start earning a good amount. The third aspect which comes is if you have launched some online business like Shivangi has done, like Hina has done, now they have the idea, they have the entrepreneurship nature in vibe. Now they know the power of digital because their target audience is on digital platform. उनको पता है टारगेट ऑडियंस डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे. अभी हम लोग में से ही देखो सब लोग कितना टाइम आप डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे देते हो. सो लाइक जिनके भी छोटे बिजनेसेस है, ठीक है, आई थिंक इन द लॉकडाउन मेनी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स have launched their own businesses, and they know their target audience are spending good amount of time on digital platforms. You look at Digital Gurukul, I think many of the students are from Nepal, right? So we don't have any branch, we don't have anything in Nepal, but still, okay, with the digital campaign, you and me are connected. So that is the power of digital. And not only just in Nepal, but we can reach, we can take our product and services across the world. And this is a live proof that we have done that. So even as a business owner, if you want to expand the business, you can use a digital platform. I hope you are getting the English, like English वगैरह है, should we like Hindi चलेगा आप लोगों को?
Both languages are comfortable.
Comfortable, सबको comfortable है?
Yes, sir.
सार्थक, राधिका, अमृत,
Yes, sir.
समाता,
Yes, sir.
perfect. ठीक है. The reason that I'm keeping the English because there are people across this thing, so मेरे को थोड़ा एक language का मेरे को ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Otherwise I can speak in English, हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, मराठी मध्ये पण गोष्ट करू शकतात, गुजराती म्हणून बात करू शकू जो, depending on like what language that you are comfortable with. ठीक है. So this is all about digital marketing opportunities. ठीक है. Now what I'll do is कि I'll just share one PDF और हम basically इस पे थोड़ा एक एक करके मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि ये डिजिटल के अंदर एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स होता है, कैसे आप इसको मास्टर कर सकते हो, क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको डिजिटल के अंदर सीखनी चाहिए जो आपको कहीं ना कहीं हेल्प आउट कर सकती है, एंड व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बिकॉज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, इट्स लाइक अ ओशन. ठीक है. अभी आप जंप मार के ये नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं पूरा ओशन कवर करूंगा. ठीक है. यू नीड टू कवर अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक स्टफ. ठीक है. स्लो बेबी स्टेप ले लेके यू कैन कवर द ओशन. Now you just jump in one day and you say I'll master digital. That is practically not possible. Not with digital, with any field. आप इंजीनियरिंग एक दिन में नहीं कर सकते, एमबीए एक दिन में नहीं कर सकते, आप सीए एक दिन में नहीं बन सकते. ठीक है. सो ये प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो नाउ हाउ बेसिकली डिफरेंट डिजिटल टॉपिक्स जो है जो आप कहीं ना कहीं सीख के इसके अंदर अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप या कुछ भी चीज़ें सीख सकते हो. नाउ ये चीज़ आने से पहले मैं दो चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जो मैं क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ. सबसे पहले होता है कि अभी तक का आपका जितना भी एजुकेशन एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, ठीक है, वॉट एवर योर एजुकेशन एक्सपीरियंस वुड बी, इट वुड बी वेरी बोरिंग. ठीक है. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, whenever you think about any education session, so first reaction is यार it's very frustration, it's very negative. ठीक है. कि कौन अटेंड करेगा. ठीक है. because we always had the education experience which is very boring. It's like you can say वेरी बोरिंग मूवी. मतलब एक बोरिंग स्क्रिप्ट है जहाँ पे आपको यू डोंट लाइक दैट मूवी बट यू आर फोर्सफुली यू आर फोर्स टू सिट वॉच दैट पर्टिकुलर मूवी कि नहीं आपको यू विल बी watching this movie. यहाँ पे आपको पसंद ही नहीं है, you still sitting, you looking at everyone. अच्छा ठीक है, everyone is watching, so even I'm watching. ठीक है.
राधे की बात हो गई है तो.
हाँ, you talk about any movie. ठीक है. राधे के लिए तो even I would not prefer to sit into the theater. I'll just go out of the theater. ठीक है. But still, ठीक है. Education is always being a very boring subject. Okay? You talk about your school experience, you talk about your coaching experience, you talk about a government examination, your engineering, your LLB. Okay? Education is perceived as very boring concept. Yeah, if you're sitting, you can't ask doubt to teacher. Okay? Asking a doubt is considered as a very different thing. Yeah, if I ask a doubt, if teacher will say something, what people will say to me, what people will say कि अरे ये क्या doubt पूछ लिया. So we always controlled our creativity. ठीक है. So whenever teacher is teaching, you like noting down everything. ठीक है. Mugging up everything. Then when the exam come, you give the exam and everything. So this is how typical you have consumed the education. And when you go to the practical world, you are like, अरे ये तो I don't know this, how this thing happens. ये कैसे होता है यार, ये चीज़ तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं है, ये सारी चीज़ कैसे हो जाती है. बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज सेपरेटेड द एजुकेशन फ्रॉम द थियोरेटिकल एंड द प्रैक्टिकल. Because we've been taught since many years that when it comes to education, there would be a book that we need to mug up, then we'll be giving an exam, we'll master this thing, and that's it, our education is over. We never focused on learning, we never focused on creativity, we never focused on asking the questions. Okay? That is how basically students are deprived of. So what we do, if you don't understand, what you assume, अच्छा ये तो ऐसा रहेगा, I don't know, but there must be something जो होता रहेगा. ठीक है. And field is not about this thing. You can't assume anything. You need to ask a question. And it's not just about digital marketing, it is about any field that you go. If you want to master any field, you basically should be having the habit of asking the question. You should be having curiosity, right? ये कैसे होता है सर, ये वेबसाइट कैसे होती है, how this comes, basically what is this elements called, why this advertisement is shown to me, why this thing happens, how this thing happens. When you start asking up these questions, now this is how you start learning the new things. So first of all, what you are expecting from the session कि सर आपको है ना एक प्लेट में खाना खिलाएंगे. What I am training you basically कि आप अभी तक जो खाना खा रहे थे ना, वो मेथड गलत थी आपकी. अभी तक आप वही प्लेट में जो प्रैक्टिस के साथ खाना खाते हो ना, जिसके कारण आपकी बॉडी में उसका इम्पैक्ट नहीं हो रहा है. So I don't want whatever dish that I'm serving to you, you eat it with the same method that you're doing it since last many years. Okay, so that is number one. Number two, always ask a question and have the curiosity. If you don't know anything, ठीक है, just stop and बोले सर ये कैसे होता है, मेरे को समझाओ ये. What is this? Even that can be a very childish question. ठीक है, it can be very childish question and you would like, अरे यार ये क्या होता है सर, ये मैं पूछ लिया तो what sir would feel like, what other member would feel like. Don't, अगर आपके दिमाग में रखा ना, ठीक है, हमारे like in India or anywhere you go, we have that kind of ego, attitude, या ये जितने भी आप चीजें बता लो, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा तो लोग मेरे बारे में क्या समझेंगे, how people will think about me, I'm a very talented, I'm very I can understand everything with the first glance. People have that mindset. See, ये सारी चीजें गलत है, ठीक है. ये जितने भी आप बिजनेसमैन, स्टार्टअप ओनर्स देखते हो, ठीक है, ऐसे ही कुछ बचपन से ब्रेन लेके नहीं पैदा हुआ है. ये लोग चीजें सीखते पूछते सब लोगों से, तभी जाके वहां पे पहुंच रहे हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू हैव द हैबिट फॉर द सेम. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ये 1-1.5 घंटे का डिजिटल के सेशन के लिए मैं नहीं बता रहा हूँ, आपकी रियल लाइफ में भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. और हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं होता है, वी अज्यूम एवरीथिंग. कुछ चीजें हम देख रहे हैं टीवी पे, भी अज्यूम के तो होती रहेगी. हम कहीं पे जा रहे हैं, हमको लग रहा है ये चीजें होती रहेगी. यू नीड टू हैव दैट क्यूरियस माइंड. इफ यू हैव अ क्यूरियस माइंड, यू विल सक्सीड एवरीवेयर. You will succeed everywhere. That is my bet. ठीक है. Now I'll start with the digital. Now can you see the document that I shared? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now digital is a very vast field. Digital is a very big field. So now we'll be collectively jumping into the ocean and make sure. मैंने आप लोगों को जैकेट पहना दी है, ठीक है, ऑफ द क्यूरियोसिटी के जैकेट पहना दिया मैंने आप लोगों को, और बेसिकली आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन. ये दोनों जैकेट मैंने पहना दिया. ये दोनों जैकेट पहन के आप जंप मारोगे तभी जाके आप यहाँ से वैल्यू ले पाओगे. अदरवाइज यू विल बेसिकली स्विम एंड अदरवाइज यू गोना गेट ड्रॉन. ठीक है. Now when it comes to digital, these are some of the very important aspects that you need to learn. First is a marketing. Okay? If you don't know marketing, you can't do digital marketing. And most of the people have this fundamental misconception when you think about digital marketing. I have seen personally, if I talk about my experience, I meet regularly a number of people, and I tell them, you know digital marketing? Bolte, yes sir, I know digital. I said, what do you know about digital, sir? Yeah. I do a Facebook posting, sir. I do Instagram posting. I post status on WhatsApp. I post this thing on this thing. I'm a digital marketer. There is very vague definition of digital. So basically, marketing, if you don't understand marketing, you can't marketing.
और पर पानी भराइयो.
इसके घर पे पानी आया हुआ है.
कुंडी लगा जा बाहर पे.
हाँ लगा दो, अब भी लगा दो. वहाँ से आवाज आ रही है. इज अ वेरी डेडिकेटेड स्टूडेंट. ठीक है. सो इज बेसिकली टेलिंग प्लीज कुंडी लगा दो, सब कर दो, मेरे को सेशन में फोकस करना है. ठीक है. चलो. सो मार्केटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो हाउ यू डू द मार्केटिंग. ठीक है. you'll be learning marketing, you'll be learning sales and everything. So that is very important that you learn practically with the case studies. Second आता है blogging. So how many of you love writing? Writing किसको पसंद है? Like writing and everything. ठीक है. Those who are saying no, इन लोगों ने है ना स्कूल में सप्लीमेंट भर के ना क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स लिखे हुए हैं. ठीक है. सो ऐसा कभी भी नहीं बोलना कि आपको कंटेंट राइटिंग नहीं आती है. We all have done the content writing in the school, in the colleges, just that we are seeing some new content. तो आपको लग रहा है ये क्या है. Now content marketing and content writing is a very vast subject. ठीक है. I'll show you one very important example out here. Can you see the screen? How many of you love traveling? मतलब traveling किन किन लोगों को पसंद है? Can you just raise hand? Okay. So everyone, ठीक है, जिन जिन लोगों को हम नहीं देख पा रहे, सब लोगों ने ना स्क्रीन ऑन करके हाथ ऊपर करे, अभी स्क्रीन ऑफ कर देंगे सब, ठीक है? So now I'll just share a screen. Now just I want to ask a supplementary question. If let's say this lockdown is over, ठीक है, everything normal, which is the first place that you will go for a vacation? Which is the first place that you'll go to vacation? Manan, Sabina, Shobit, Sarthak, Shivangi, Pratmesh, Radhika, Samata. After the lockdown, where you would like to spend your vacation?
Shimla.
LA.
Shimla, Ladakh.
Ladakh.
Ashish, where you would like to go?
Also some different places in Nepal.
Okay, different places in Nepal. Okay. Would you like to visit India and explore some of the beach?
I have been to Lucknow once, but after that I have never been to India.
Okay. Goa is not that far. Okay. Goa is a very amazing place that you should definitely explore. Ashish.
In the southern part of.
Yes, in the southern part. So southern part. So I'm going to explore that particular part just in 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay.
Now I'm sharing a screen. Can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see? This is Anna. Okay. Her name is Anna, and Anna, like all of us, was a student. She was doing a job. She was frustrated with the job, and then after one day she resigned the job. Now she didn't have any idea what she can do. Now she started. She had a travel as a passion. Okay, everyone has a passion, traveling. Okay, automobile. Someone likes the car, gaming, and everything. But what we do, we consider these are the hobbies. We can't make a career. But digital give you that opportunity. You can make or convert your hobby as a career. So this is what Anna did. So Anna was a very good traveler because she liked travel. As she has mentioned, she's a travel addict. She has created this entire blog. She shared her experiences. So she's basically from UK but settled in Goa. She's exploring the Goa like anything, and she has shared her experiences in the blog. Okay. I hope you're getting my voice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see, okay, these are some of the blogs that has been written. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you just give me a rough estimate how much Anna would be earning from this blog? Any idea?
50, 60,000.
50,000, 60,000. Pratmesh?
Yes, sir. Approximately 50, 60.
Samita, Sarthak, Shobit?
I don't know.
30 to 40.
20 to 40,000.
Okay, 20 to 40,000.
Lakhs, somewhere in lakhs, क्योंकि इसने ads चला रखे हैं.
Okay, somewhere into the lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees or something. Okay. And okay. So if you see properly, okay, Anna basically earns somewhere around 3 to 5 lakh rupees in Indian rupees. I'm talking about a month. कितना? ठीक है?
Yes, ad भी चला रखे उन्होंने.
I'll come to that. How she's earning. Okay, and what is the target audience? Okay, so it is practically possible. Like she's earning from the traveling, you can earn from your hobbies. How she's earning basically? First of all, most important thing is a passion. Anna's passion is traveling. Okay, Anna is not doing this for money. She has travel 24/7. Okay, so now basically she has converted her passion and hobbies into the monetization. So if you see the article, you can see the advertisement out here. That is the first source of revenue for Anna. If you see right now in the right hand side, these are some of the news media that she is featured in. So you talk about Times of India, you talk about Expedia, you talk about the Guardian, you talk about the Make My Trip. These are some of the popular news media that she is featured in. You can see the partnership. These are some of the 50 plus organizations that Anna has done the partnership. See, if you go down below, you can see some of the advertisement out here. Can you see the advertisement? Can you see the advertisement into the center? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you, let's say, I'm clicking on one of the article written by Anna. So these are some of the source of the revenue for Anna. Okay. So Anna is earning from the advertisement. Anna is earning from the partnership deal. Anna is earning from the sponsorships. Anna is even earning from the organizations. Okay. If you talk about the yoga retreat. So see, this is one of the blogs that she has written. The best yoga retreats in Goa. Okay. So because she's been to Goa, she has basically written a very interesting blog. Let's say if you want to explore the yoga retreats, which are some of the top 10 yoga retreats. So basically you can see this is Anna. So this is kind of the personalization she has added. This is also the advertisement. Now if you go down, these are some of the ranking that she has started. So first of the yoga retreat, okay, it is about Ashiana. Okay? So she has mentioned Ashiana is a very good place where you can go for a yoga retreat. Now she has basically given the brief description, and just below there is a very simple link out here. Can you see? Can you see the link? Now let's
Yes, sir.
Yes.
let's say read the article. I'll open the link. Okay? I'm opening the link. Okay. I'm interested. Let's explore this link. So can you see the Ashiana?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm just giving you a very interesting insight. Can you see the URL?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the last 4 digits?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
617.
Can you see AID is equal to 2617?
Yeah.
Whenever you just remember, I'll
Yes, sir.
explain you this concept later. Now, this is one of the package for the 4 weeks. What is the package amount?
Double 347.
Okay. Now, this is
2000.
the package for the 4 week. Anyone want to book? We can basically click on explore the experience. They can pay this amount and they can book this particular retreat. Yes or no? What is this amount comes to? Let's say, if you convert that into the rupees,
2 lakh.
around 2,50,000 rupees. Okay. So via Anna, okay, there is one person which is coming to this yoga retreats and paying 2,50,000 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, obviously, that has been sent by Anna, and because Anna has sent this particular customer to yoga retreats, Anna would be getting the particular percentage of commission. Okay, how you can determine whether that particular link is basically organic link or a paid link? Can you see the AID 2617?
Referral ID.
Next time, whenever you see this kind of link, this type of links are called as affiliate links. What it's called?
Affiliate.
Okay. What do you mean by affiliate? Affiliate partners, these are like a reseller. Okay. So I'm basically selling the multiple services. So NI is selling the multiple services of the yoga retreat. Okay. So whenever someone via Anna makes a purchase, Anna would be eligible for certain percentage of commission. In this case, it might be 8% to 10%. How much it comes to around? If let's say 2,50,000, if you come to 10%, that comes to 25,000 Indian rupees. Is that a very small amount? Is that a good amount?
It's a good amount.
This is a very good amount because this is not an active income. This is called as a passive income. Even while Anna is sleeping, okay, anyone can come to the website, can make a purchase, and I is still making the money. Okay, she don't need to basically actively work, right? So this is different source of revenue for Anna.
Right.
So now after learning, let's say if you're very good in content writing, you can make such kind of blog. Okay, so right now there are different trending industry which is growing, like cryptocurrency. So you can become a blogger in the cryptocurrency. You can write about the cryptocurrencies. You can associate with the crypto exchange as well. You can give the reviews as well. This is a very interesting industry which is exploring. There is a dedicated gaming industry which is growing, so you can make a gaming blog, right? So you can write about the gamers, you can associate with the gaming companies, you can do a partnership, you can write about the sponsored article, you can run the advertisement, and you can make a very good money out of it. There is a e-sport industry which is very growing, so you can obviously do such kind of arrangement for the content for e-sport blog or something if you're writing. If you want to make it for travel, if you want to make it a food, these are some of the traditional digital blogs which are going on since ages. जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया था, these are some of the new ages. ठीक है? I think Sabina and someone raised the hand. If you have any question.
मेरे को ये डाउट है कि इसका ट्रैवल ब्लॉग है, पर इसके जैसे कितने सारे होंगे जो सेम टॉपिक पे लिख रहे होंगे, तो इसकी वेबसाइट में क्या स्पेशल है?
या सो सी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैंने हम लोगों ने जो चीज़ें देखी है, लोग लिख तो लेते हैं, ठीक है, बट दे डोंट हैव एनी मार्केटिंग स्किल सेट और अ सेल्स स्किल सेट टू पिच टू द कंपनीज. ठीक है, मोस्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट राइटर और ब्लॉगर्स वो लोग खुश हो जाते हैं, उन्होंने लिख लिया, एंड व्हाट दे डू, गूगल एडसेंस जो होता है, ठीक है, अपनी वेबसाइट में लगा देते हैं, एंड दे आर लाइक चलो गूगल से पैसा आएगा. ठीक है, ऐसे ऑटोमेटिकली कोई नहीं आता. आपको एज अ कंटेंट राइटर नीड टू रन इट एज अ बिजनेस. So if I basically have that particular business, I need to have a dedicated content writer which can write the content. I need to have a dedicated salesperson which can pitch to the companies and can say कि see, if let's say I'm a travel blogger, he should basically pitch to a different hotels. You see, this is the blog. You can do this advertisement. This is the traffic that I'm getting. This is the result that you can get. You can at least put a 7 days complimentary link ना, 7 days के लिए रखो and just see the responses. ठीक है? So this kind of strategies, I have seen very limited people are employing. Most of the people, what they do, they write it for a casually कि चलो कॉलेज में है, content writing कर दिया, उसको भूल जाते हैं. No one take it very seriously. Even if those who take it seriously, they don't use it professionally. ठीक है, so they don't know how to do it, they don't know how to analyze the content, they don't know how to increase the website visitor, they don't know how to increase the email addresses, how to capture the leads, the entire funnel. Most of the people are not well versed with this kind of strategy. So that is what I have seen personally they lack. Okay, Sabina, any questions in this thing? Okay, so how basically you can learn? So you'll be learning about content writing. It's very important how you can write content, how we can make a very good content strategy, how you can optimize the content, how you can do keyword research. ठीक है, अभी आपने देखा था ना, बेस्ट योगा रिट्रीट सब लिखा हुआ था. So ये keywords कहाँ से आते हैं, how this keyword come basically, how you can write a very good headline, how we can write a magnetic headline so that people can click onto the link, and once people click onto the link, you're gonna get the commission out of it. Okay, you'll also cover a case study on the content writing. So this is how you practically master it. And when we talk about master it, it's not just about you made the content and that's the thing. Okay, that is the, see, that is not, and that is just start. This is the reason that I say it's a start, because on the basis of the content, it's like you have made a movie. Yeah, you have made a movie. Now अभी आपको क्या करना है, ये मूवी को अलग अलग थिएटर्स में लेके जाना कि प्लीज कैन यू रिलीज इट सो दैट पीपल कैन वॉच इट. दिस इज द वे. जो भी आपने कंटेंट लिखा है, यू नीड टू टेक इट टू द कंपनीज कि सी आई हैव रिटन द कंटेंट, कैन यू जस्ट डू एडवर्टाइजमेंट, कैन वी हैव अ टाई अप, कैन वी हैव अ एसोसिएशन, कैन वी डू दिस एक्टिविटी और समथिंग. This kind of thing basically we will be assisting you how we can do that. Okay, next we come as a graphic designer. Now graphics are a very important thing, and this is one of the very creative aspects. So if you're very creative, you like designing, you have a very creative mindset, graphic designing is for you. And all the businesses needs a graphic designing from the day one when they start a business. So let's say if I'm starting a business, so maybe I'll be looking for a brochure, visiting card, okay, pamphlets that I'll be looking for. I'll be looking for the banners, I'll be looking for hoardings, I'll be looking for a E4, I'll be looking for the t-shirt printing, I'll be looking for a different designing. If let's say if I'm handling a social media, I look for someone who can handle the social media platform with a very creative graphics. So in this entire thing, you will be learning how to become a pro in graphic designing. Okay, because that is what we feel. Graphic designing is a very important skill set to learn for a digital marketer. You can imply it anywhere. Okay, because graphic designing is like a water. ठीक है, आप कहीं पे भी चले जाओ, पानी आपको लगेगा ही लगेगा. ठीक है, it's like if you're having a pizza, you will be needing a water. If you're having some recipe, if you're having a momo, at the end of the day आपको पानी लगेगा. Exactly, आप कोई भी बिजनेस में हो, ठीक है, डिजाइनिंग आपको लगेगी ही लगेगी. दैट इज जस्ट द बेस. नाउ आपको एक्वाफिना लेना है, उसके बाद बिस्लरी लेनी है, दैट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग, बट एटलीस्ट यू विल बी नीडिंग द वाटर. सो यू विल बी लर्निंग द ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग, what are the structure, the layout, colored and everything. Right now the trend is of the animation. ठीक है, animation का trend है, there is a GIF trend, there is a meme trend, there is a different trends, so that you would be learning. I don't know if I can possibility मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ. हमारा जो एक बैच है, ठीक है, अभी जस्ट आधे घंटे पहले ही हम लोगों ने कुछ असाइनमेंट करे हुए हैं. अभी मेरे को याद आया, इसके लिए मैं आपको भी बता रहा हूँ कि हाउ क्रिएटिवली दे हैव डन इट. इफ पॉसिबल, इफ आई कैन शो यू, आई विल शो यू. Okay, yes. So this is how basically this is आज हमारा एक मीम का टॉपिक हुआ है. So this is how we work. So this is our Discord group. This is like an informal group for all the students. So ठीक है, so this is the Nagin sauce. So this is a brand. Nagin sauce is a startup. ठीक है, so they make a very मतलब what you can say, very spicy sauces. So this is what they have done, and this is what the creatives that they have done. ठीक है. So when the assignment is not done, so this kind of meme that they have made. But let me tell you, the creativity part comes from here. So can you see this kind of graphics that are designed? आप देखिए, they have mastered it just in 1 or 2 days. See, every student are expected to make such kind of thing. So अगर आप देखोगे, everyone has done that. These are all the top startups. So जैसे आप शारदा फार्म्स देख रहे हो, ठीक है. You just look at the creativity. These are some of the work that they have done. See, so whenever you make a creative, the color combination, ठीक है, the font selection, the theme for the brand, ठीक है, everything is taught so that you are basically ready whenever brand approaches you. ठीक है, अगर आपको अपने ब्रांड के लिए काम करना है तो ब्रांड किट कैसे बनाई जाती है, बिकॉज अगर आपकी ब्रांड किट नहीं है, सो आप यू कैन मेक अ ग्राफिक्स. दैट इज अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. ठीक है, आगे आपको घर पे कलर करना है और आपको पता ही नहीं कौन सा कलर करना है, तो इट वुड बी अ वेस्ट, राइट. यू डोंट नो विच कलर टू डू. इफ यू आप बोल दोगे कुछ भी कलर कर दो, तो दैट वुड नॉट बी डन. सो यू नीड टू हैव अ स्पेसिफिक ब्रांड किट जो हमने स्टूडेंट्स को बना के दी है कि आपको इसी में वर्क करना है. दिस इज व्हाट दे डू. सो ये जो आपको आउटपुट अभी दिख रहा है ना, दैट इज बिकॉज द इनपुट दैट वर गिवन टू देम. So these are some of the stuff that they have designed. And भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं अभी तो मैं आपको, ठीक है, अब ये आपने बताया था, आई थिंक किसी ने पूछा था तो मैंने आपको बताया. Now it comes to the designing part. उसके बाद आता है वेबसाइट क्रिएशन. ठीक है, you have mastered the content, master the graphics. Now you need to have your own website. Now website is like a digital home. Most of the people say कि सर अभी तो वेबसाइट की क्या ज़रूरत है, ठीक है, we already have a Facebook, we already have Instagram, why need to create a website? So see, all the social media platforms are the third party platforms, right? These are not your own platform, these are rented platforms. ठीक है, you might have seen since last 2 or 3 days there is a buzz in India that Facebook might shut down, Instagram might shut down, Twitter might shut down. Now can you imagine if you relied heavily on the third party platform, and let's say खुदा ना खास्ता अगर ये बंद हो जाता है, what would happen to your business? ठीक है, so obviously you learn practically the website creation. So how, if you visited our website, this kind of website that you'll be making. And see, entire thing is without coding. You don't need to have any coding prior experience required. Without coding, you can make an amazing professional website. ठीक है? So what we give, ठीक है, हम basically हमारे end से we give you the free domain, we give you the free hosting, we give you the SSL certificate, we give you the complimentary email as well. All you need to do is make a website. Simple. Because without website, digital marketing is zero. If I tell you कि jump into the ocean and there is no water, so what you'll do? Exactly. So website is like the very important part of digital marketing. So you're going to learn how the website is done, website installation, plugins, plugin selection, what is your purpose of making the website. You actually implement the same, what are the plugins which are required. And the most important part, okay? If you're making a website, if I show you some of the website, just a second. I show you our website. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the most important purpose of any website creation, okay, you just noted down this thing, is always and always lead generation. In India, people make a website for show off. Okay? Just to write it down into the visiting card, ki, see, I have a website. Just for that thing, people make a website, but it's a completely wrong thing. The only and only purpose of making the website is a lead generation. Okay? So if you look at our website, okay, we have put up the multiple options, okay, for the lead generation. So we call it as a primary call to action and a secondary call to action. Now, call to action is like book now, book appointment. If you see, we have put up the very interesting call to action buttons. So you need to book here. If you want to book a class, there is a book appointment. If you go down further, you can see the book now. There is a follow more on Instagram. Okay, we have all these options which we have put it into a website. We also have a very interesting spin the wheel kind of contest or something. So about every activity, we are basically trying to get the lead. I'm being very honest and brutal in front of you. This is what the objective of any website should be like. Because if anyone is coming to your website, okay, there should be a win-win situation. Okay? It should be like even you get something, even I get something. If you are getting the free resources from my website, even I should be eligible to get the free contact, right? That is how you have a win-win relationship. So that is the only person. Let's say assume करो कि हमारी website पे ये कुछ नहीं रहता. If you don't have this, if you don't have this, what could be the consequences? You will not able to get the leads. Getting the point? So that is the most important part. So the reason of making this entire website and everything is to generate a lead. You make it on WordPress, you make it on Shopify, you can make it on Java, CSS, HTML, doesn't matter. ठीक है, आप घर कैसा भी बनाओ, बट घर की एंट्री अच्छी होनी चाहिए. अगर घर की एंट्री आपने नहीं रखी हुई, आप गेट बंद करके रखे हो, तो घर पे आप कितना भी अच्छा घर बना लो, घर पे कोई नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. सो ये चीज आपको हमेशा ध्यान में रखनी है while making this thing. So that is what you're going to learn. And after learning this thing, how you can approach the people. If anyone come to you, कि sir, can you just make up the website for me? ठीक है, people would be approaching you if you can make up the website. कि sir, can you just make up the website? Ma'am, can you make up the website for me? Now that particular time, student gets confused. कि sir, what should I charge? I don't know what is the pricing. Sir, I don't know what is the proposal making. ठीक है, these are some of the areas that people get stuck. And that is where we come into the picture. Okay, so after making up the website, okay, that is also you can do. It's not a rocket science. If you're honestly putting the efforts, anyone can make up the website. But most important part is getting a new client for your website creation. So how you can approach the people, how you can convince them. These are some of the soft skills which are very essential in any industry. Digital marketing is a hard skill, but these are some of the soft skills. And in any industry, soft skill always wins the game. There is not a hard skill which wins the game. It's a soft skill. मेरे पास कितना भी knowledge है, but मेरे को communicate करने नहीं आता है ना, so it's a completely loss. So you will be learning how you can communicate with the client. ठीक है, how to make up the proposal. ठीक है, how to communicate. What is the pricing that you need to keep. ठीक है, after the pricing, what are some of the agreement which are being signed. So if you're making up the website, there is the agreement which signs. what kind of quotation that you can make for Indian customer, for Nepal customer, for worldwide customer. Okay, so these are some of the very important part where people get stuck and they don't know where to go. उनको लगता है अरे सर अभी तो हम तो डर जाते. People get literally scared. Are you sorry? I got the proposal. What to do now? I don't know anything. And by hesitantly they say no, okay sir, I don't know. I'm just a beginner. I can't do that. So people lose confidence here. So that is where we come into the picture. We tell you, sir, this is what you can get the project, because we honestly believe in ROI. See, if you're investing something, you should get the ROI. As simple as that. You go to anywhere. Okay? If you are learning website now, don't just stick it to a classroom learning. Ki I'll applaud you. Ki अरे बहुत अच्छा website बना दिया. I'll praise you. You make a very good website. No. At the end of the day, you should get few clients and get the money out of it. That is the ultimate motto. You should make a money out of it. Because if you make a money now, the real happiness comes. यार नहीं यार मेरे को पैसा मिला. That is what the revenue that I earn. Okay? So that is what you learn. Then comes the search engine optimization. Okay? Now let's say if I just show you very simple thing. I mean, if you want to buy some new things like phone, laptop, or anything, AC, if anyone is planning to buy something, yeah.
Yeah, of course, in the future.
Sorry.
In the future, of course.
What do you want to buy? Some you can give me any name?
I want to buy a laptop, sir.
Oh, you want
Laptop,
to buy a
yes.
laptop? Okay, I'll search the laptop for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
You mean the site which will be coming in the top of the Google site?
Yes. So we'll just as a customer site, okay, I'll just randomly search. I want to buy a laptop. So what I'm gonna search, okay, what are some of the keywords that I should type if I want to buy a new laptop? Can you just
Best laptop for students.
Best laptop for students? Okay. Can you see all the suggestions out here?
Price configurations.
Under 40,000.
Yes. So
Yeah, under
these are
40,
all the
under 40.
suggestions- These are all the suggestions given by Google, okay, to SEO people. If you write a content on this keyword, your website might come onto the top. So let's say I click on search. Okay, how many search results are there? Can you see? Yeah. Can you see what is the first thing which is coming?
Those things are ad.
Okay, which brand is doing the advertisement?
Dell.
Okay. Then which brand is doing the first website which is coming after the advertisement?
Laptop Mag.
Then
Creative Blog.
Then
Digitin.
Then
Flipkart.
Then
PC Mag. 91 mobiles.
Now, would you go to page number 20, page number 50 to get the best laptop?
No, of course, in the first page.
Why first page?
Only visit it at least 1 to 2 page.
Maximum, let's say you have ample of time, you don't have anything to do at home, okay? Well, so then you explore 50 page, 60 page, 70 page. You set up the target कि आज पूरे दिन में मैं ना 100 pages करूँगा. Then you can do that. But if you are very busy or something, you basically rely on a page number 1 or maximum page number 2. Now, how many pages that you can see here into the Google?
10.
Now, obviously there will be more. There might be hundreds of pages, right? On hundreds of pages, there might be hundreds of websites as well. Yes or no? There might be hundreds of websites.
Of course, hundreds of websites.
Exactly. So, if my website is on page number 100, people gonna come to my website, kya?
No, never.
Okay. So the process, your website should be on page number 100 or page number 1?
Page number 1.
First page.
The process of taking your website to page number 1, it's called as what?
SEO.
SEO.
Okay.
SEO.
Called as search engine optimization.
Engine optimization.
Okay.
Yes.
Search engine is Google, and you optimize your website. That is the reason it's called as what? Search engine
Optimization.
Okay. So how does that work? So whenever you made a website, just like when you buy a phone, you need a cover, you need a glass guard. Exactly, when you make a website, what is the ultimate thing that you need as a search engine optimization? Okay. So this is how basically search engine looks like, and this is what search engine optimization is. So you understood why SEO is important, because if there is no SEO, anyone not gonna visit your website. It's just like you took a shop on rent for your business, but no one is visiting your shop. You're gonna get the revenue? You're not gonna get the revenue. Okay. So the process of getting a customer onto the Google, it's called search engine optimization. And these are some of the things that we do. I think कहीं से बहुत हो रहा है. Let me just mute them. Okay. Okay, sure. So you learn this entire search engine optimization process. Then we comes to the email marketing. So email marketing is important for any business. You regularly receive the tons of email from the top brands like Amazon, Flipkart, or maybe you made any payment, GPay, Paytm, every brand. Okay, how this campaign actually works, how we can launch your email campaign for your own business, how we can track the campaign, how we can do a segmentation, okay, how you can track this thing, and how you can actually design this campaign, and how you can analyze the success of the campaign. Everything basically you do it in practical way. Okay, so that is what a very important part of the email, because the reason that I kept the email here, because you'll be getting the email address of the visitor once you make up the website. So once you make up the website, people are gonna sign up, and then you're gonna get the data. And after getting the data, you can start doing the email marketing. Then comes a very important part is verification and social media and its process. Now, most of the, I don't know, we are probably the only player in India which publicly teaches you how to get the verification done. ठीक है, you will not find this topic anywhere in any topic, any brochure. I don't know, आप कहीं पे भी चले जाओ, ठीक है, आपको ये टॉपिक कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगा. This topic that we just recently introduced, and the reason that we introduced, now people will say कि सर do you have the verification, आपका खुद का verification है क्या आप लोगों को सिखा रहे हो, do you have your own verification? So what basically we say, we already implemented all these things, we already got the verification, we have implemented all these strategies, and we got the blue tick on Facebook. We are verified on Facebook, and if I talk about myself, I'm verified on Facebook, Telegram, YouTube, Spotify, and recently soon on Twitter as well. So we have implemented all these techniques, and then only we are showing you this is how the verification is done. Just I'll show you. So most of the time verification लोगों को लगता है कि बहुत tedious task है, नहीं हो पाता है, ठीक है. But most of the people don't know how it works, ठीक है, how systematic process needs to be done, because whenever you see a verified page, automatically there is an image कि it's a big brand, it's a very reputed brand. So irrespective of आप कितना भी campaign run कर दो, but अगर आपका, if you have a verification, it gives a very good impact. So we teach you how we can get the verification done. I'll share with you the link. You can just search for Digital Gurukul page. You will get the blue tick. So what we teach you, how to myths about social media verification, why it is important for celebrity. I'll tell you. Those agencies, there is a dedicated verification agency which charges lakhs of rupees for the verification. Okay? So they charge like I'll tell you the rates. For Facebook there is 1 lakh, for Twitter there is 2 lakh, for Instagram there is 5 lakh, for YouTube there is 1 lakh. These are the charges which are there just for the blue tick. If you want to get the media coverage, for media coverage the rate starts from 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 as well. I'm talking about Indian rates. If you go to US, UK, the charge is just double. If you go to Dubai, Dubai is like a heaven. Okay? If you meet some sheikh or something, if you quote them some lakhs of rupees, he'll happily pay you just to get this thing. So these are very popular thing, never ending things. So we teach you how we can do that. Then comes the copywriting. Okay? So copywriting is like writing up the ad copies and everything, which is very important that you learn, because if your ad copy is very compelling, then only people gonna come to you. I think those who are from Nepal, you might have seen our ad copies, you might have liked it, then only you clicked it. So that is how the real ad copy you can do that. Political campaign management, I think politicians spend lavishly on digital campaign. and we have seen personally how politicians spend a good amount of money on digital campaign. So in India, elections never get over. Okay, elections are going on round the clock around the year, and everywhere around the world, everyone aspires to be politician. Okay, हर एक की इच्छा होती है, even I should be politician. I should get the respect. I should get this kind of security and everything. They have that dream of becoming a politician. Now, after if you might have seen the campaigns of Narendra Modi, how he's using social media platforms, how basically he's connecting to the masses using social media platform. Now there are n number of leaders. You talk about Arvind Kejriwal, you talk about Mamta Banerjee, you talk about in every part of India. Digital marketing, role of digital marketing is increasingly penetrating into the political field. So if let's say in your area where you're staying, okay, you can approach to the politician, you can tell them, see, I know digital marketing, I can handle your campaigning. Okay, I can set up your social media pages, I can run the digital campaigning, I can help you raise the funding as well, I can help you connecting with your voters as well, I can give you the analytics as well, I can help you create a ad copies as well. And for this thing you can charge a good amount of money, because politician is the one segment वो लोग कभी भी आपको पैसा देने के लिए नहीं सोचेंगे. आप you will ask for one, they'll pay you five. So in this thing, not only you learn about this brief insight, but also you learn about the case studies of Narendra Modi. You learn how you can get a political client for your agency. Okay? So most of the people are very scared कि यार उनको तक कैसे approach होगा, how you can do that, मेरे को pitching नहीं आती है. So we'll give you the ready doc available कि what is a pitching doc, what kind of services that you can offer, what kind of pricing that you can keep, what are some of the latest trend which I have done, what are some of the do's and don'ts. So when you're getting you got the client on board, what are some of the do's and don'ts that you can do. So that is what you learn practically. Then comes social media marketing. This is like one of our favorite topic, because social media हमारा बहुत ही favorite topic है. So यहाँ पे you learn about all the social media platform. So you might have heard about the coup, which is started getting trend like after Twitter getting banned. So we have also covered the coup platform as well. Can you see KOO coup marketing? So we also covered this coup platform. We also covered the Snapchat. We also covered the Spotify. So you name it, we have it. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Spotify. So we not only just cover a Facebook के account कैसे बनाना है, but beyond that, how to run the ad campaign, how you can get your products promoted to the right audience. Okay, how to write ad copies, how to analyze the campaign, whether it's a successful or not successful. What are some of the tools that you can use? What are some of the metrics on which you can determine whether your campaign was successful or not? Whether it's CPM, there are CTR, there is CPC, there is CPA, there are n number of metrics on which you can analyze whether my campaign was successful or not successful, right? So this is what you learn, and you also learn the case studies as well of the top brands. So whether it's about Mirzapur case study, whether it's about Airtel, whether it's Ola, all the case studies which is covered under here. So that you can come to know that how these campaigns are practically learned. Apart from this, we also have the DG Masterclass series. So you might have Digital Gurukul is famous for the programs as well, but more famous for a masterclass. So we are launching the masterclass where we invite Asia's leading digital professionals into our masterclass series, so that our students get to know and get to question the top speakers, get to know from them, directly ask a question, get a good opportunity to work with them as well. So that is what we are up to. And if you are not following us on Instagram, kindly follow there. We update each and every activity on Instagram. So if you're not following us, kindly go to Instagram, just type Digital Gurukul, you'll get to know more about us. Then comes the Google advertisement. So if I just show you how it looked like. So if you can go to, like, I think this is what the verification. So can you see the blue tick out here? So this was I was referring. I'll come back to this campaign. So those who are mentioning about laptops. So can you see the advertisement out here? ADS. Can you see this ADS? Okay.
Yes.
If you go on to the YouTube, you see the ad. If you're playing any game, you see the ad. If you are running any application, you see the ads. So all this advertisement, ठीक है, जितनी भी advertisement आपको दिख रही है, ये कहाँ से basically run होती है? So this basically is the Google advertisement. So we actually teach you how you can start from the scratch and you can master the ad campaign. When you talk about mastering ad campaign, it's like getting the maximum result and minimum cost. That is the main objective of Google advertisement. So that is what you learn. Then you become, if you want to become a YouTube mastery, if you want to become a blogger, if you want to become an influencer, because this is segment which is growing exponentially since the lockdown. So if you want to become influencer, you want to become YouTuber, you want to become a blogger, how you can do that, how you can identify your niche and passion, how you can create your own digital identity, how you can connect with the B2C audience and as well as B2B audience, which is your advertisement companies, where they can sponsor you, the media, the press, and the companies. So these are some of the strategies that we teach you. What are some of the tools and equipment? So see, obviously want to become a YouTuber, you can't get it like free of cost. You need to invest in some of the equipments. So what are some of the equipments that you need to invest? What is the importance of social work, PR and community? So if you're from India, you might have known the Sonu Sood has done a very good charity work since 2 years. Now, this is a classic example. What I tell to the students, he has connected with the B2C and monetized using B2B. So right now, Sonu Sood has around 10 to 15 brand endorsement compared to the previous years. So what he is using in the B2C has actually earned into the B2B. That is a classic case of B2C and B2B stuff. So this is how we can take your brand to the next level. How you can monetize that you learn, and case studies of the popular influencers. So they can share their insights and everything. Video editing, अगर आपको यूट्यूबर बनना है, what you need to do is video editing. So video editing that you know, video editing के softwares क्या होता है, how you can do SEO. Now since YouTube gaming and esports is trending like anything, you also know YouTube के अंदर आपको SEO कैसे करना है, YouTube के अंदर thumbnail कैसे लगाना है. When someone search for on YouTube, how you can take your videos into the top. If you have some e-commerce videos, so how we can take your videos into the organically on top of the platforms that you know. Then freelancing, how you can get a freelancing projects. ठीक है, अगर आपको freelancer बनना है, so how you can get a freelancing projects. ये जितनी भी चीजें आपने देखी, all the things that you see, everything you can start making a money just with a laptop and the internet and the proper skill set and the mentorship. Okay, so in that thing, how you can get up the freelancing projects, what are some of the platforms, how you can approach the people who are posting up the projects. उसके बाद how you can write up a proposal, how you can bid for the projects, how once you get up the project, how what are some of the tools you can use to manage the projects among your team so that कहीं ना कहीं quality के साथ compromise ना हो. How we can use a personal branding on the LinkedIn so that you can get a more freelancing projects that you learn under the freelancing mastery. Then there is a funnel and automation. So this is like a very key. If you want to go to Delhi, if I want to go to Nepal, so I need to have a proper roadmap, right? I can just randomly say, okay, I'll come to Nepal, I'll come to Delhi. Okay, मैं चलते चलते आऊँगा. It's not practically possible. I need to have a proper roadmap. First I'll fly down to Delhi, or maybe I'll take the vehicle, I'll take the visa, I'll take the passport, and this is what my destination is, right? Exactly. If your prospective customer want to become your future customer, that particular case you need to have a proper roadmap. कि अगर वो आपकी वेबसाइट में आता है तो वो कहाँ पे क्लिक करेगा, फिर उसके बाद आपके फनल में कहाँ पे फिट होगा, उसके बाद how would you sending them the email, what would be the product demo be look like, what kind of campaigns that would be running, how you will give them the offer so that he become your customer, how you can satisfy your existing customer in such a way that he convert into your future customer. A future customer, what I meant is he get you the new customers. So he'll become your promoter कि नहीं यार product लेना है तो इसी का लेना है because I like the product. This is called as a funnel and automation. So that is what you're going to learn, and we have updated the WhatsApp business as well. Then AI and chatbot that you're going to learn here. Online lead generation. So when it comes to the business, those who are a business owner, lead is a very important thing. Lead means contact details. ठीक है, अगर contact details है, then only you can get up the lead. So that was you learn into the online lead generation. And last but not the least, you learn about the practical campaign management. So you actually learn and execute how the practical campaigns are created, managed, executed, and analyzed. Okay, so we run the case studies at Airtel, Ola, and Amazon, and this is what you learn. These are some of the features, and oh my god, these are some of the tools that you work on. Okay, so when you talk about the tools, these are some of the tools that you practically master on. These are some of the certificates, but more than the certificates, it's all about the practical exposure that you get. That has to be there. These are some of our presents, and these are some of the news media. If you search for Digital Gurukul, you're gonna get it. And most importantly, people ask us, sir, can you just share a list of achievements, success stories, and workshops that you do? What we tell, just go to our Instagram. Okay? We are very active on Instagram, and वहाँ पे you'll get all the details about our institute since last many years. You'll get everything. These are some of the awards. These are academic association. These are our corporate networks. Okay? So For all the corporate networks, we have the speakers. If you can just check out our Instagram, you're gonna get it. So these are some of the very Asia's and world's leading digital agencies which we have in corporate network, and we are adding up the list and updating a list as well. These are our celebrity networks, whether it's about Ashish Vidyarthi or Vivek Bindra or anywhere. So these are all our corporate networks. बस I think I'm done. I'm tired speaking, but I hope जो मेरा purpose था आपको बताने का about the digital, what it covers, I think that has been resolved. If you have any specific question or something, you can just turn on the video. You can ask me. I'll be very happy to resolve every doubts and questions that you have. Sabina, Ashish, Hina, Pratmesh, Manan, Milan, Shobit, Samta, Shoshant, Sarthak. If you can just turn on the video, and if you have any question, can you just please ask me?
Whatever overview you gave about the course, right? Is it paid or free?
Yeah, so see that you can communicate with the Mayuri ma'am, because I am just a trainer. If you have any specific question about the training aspect, you can ask me.
Okay, I'll be contacting to Mayuri ma'am.
Okay, any specific questions that you have about the career, what you can do up to after digital, and any questions regarding to your career aspect, I'll be very happy to guide you. Or if you have a family business, or if you launch a startup, if you have any some concern, feel free to ask me. I'll be very happy to answer the same. Or
Yeah, actually, I only goal that I'm working as a freelancer, as a work from home, only on the digital marketing.
Okay.
And yeah, and both the skills are using it's my own product also.
Great. Yeah, I think if you are implementing and executing the digital, whatever things that we learned properly, if you are executing, I think you can skyrocket your business like anything.
Yeah.
Yes. Pratmesh, any question? Sabina, any question? Shobit, any question?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Milan.
So, as a fresher in digital marketing, which aspect is better? Whether whether taking a job or doing a freelancing? First step in digital marketing as a fresher.
See, first of all, what I recommend to the students is basically spend good amount of time in mastering the digital. Okay? Then will you enter into the organization, because once you learn, after entering into the organization, relearning is very difficult. Okay? And
Yes, sir.
I also see getting a freelancing project for a fresher is a bit difficult, to be very honest. First, you get a job. Okay? First, you get an internship, get to learn how the thing works into the practical life in organization. See, apart from digital marketing, there are very specific skill set you need to know how to work into the team. Okay? How you can get the work done, how to manage the team members, what are some of the tool softwares that need to be done, what is professionalism. Okay? These are some of the very small things which we very neglect, and that hurts. And at the end of the day, people say ki, yes sir, we're not getting a project or something, so that is a bit difficult. So I recommend to the students, first you spend good amount of time with any startup companies and learn how the thing works. Once you're confident ki, okay, you can get the project done, you can get the projects, then only you can leave that particular space. And anytime you can get a freelancing work side by side. ना किसने बोला है कि आप freelancing नहीं ले सकते? You do a job as well, and you can take up the freelancing project. Monday to Friday you do a job, Saturday Sunday you can get a freelance projects.
Yeah.
I have a doubt कि अगर मुझे आज की डेट में I want to start my digital marketing agency after doing that course. Of course, I spend some time learning the practicals with my own business, my own startup, and then I start working for other clients. तो अभी ये है कि इंडिया में हर दूसरा तीसरा बंदा एक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी खोल के बैठा है. What is the point that I can differentiate from them? And मतलब मेरे दिमाग में है कि this line is saturated if I want to enter into, if I want to start an agency. So is it very saturated, or still is there scope?
There is a saturation. Okay? Saturation comes when everyone is offering the same thing. Okay? Now what people have done in the lockdown since last 2 years that I personally seen, They have done some, they learned something on YouTube, they have learned something from Google, some random learning, and they have basically started the website and they're calling themselves a founder, agency owner, which sounds very cool to them. Because
Correct. You know, in my business network, every other person has started digital marketing का business, irrespective of their main core business. वो जिस भी industry से हैं, सभी ने एक extra service शुरू कर दी है digital की.
बोलना बहुत ही easy है, like launching an agency. But if you want to actually execute, let me be very honest with you. In the last 5-7 years, I have not taken a risk of launching my digital agency. Can you imagine that? And last,
You have not launched.
I haven't launched like digital agency. I haven't launched any digital agency. If there is agency, okay, that is handled by the students, I'm not practically involved because I'm still very scared. In this stage, even I'm very scared ki I don't know much when it comes to facing the client. Okay, so my expectation are a bit different, so I don't take up the projects or something. Now, see, I tell you, digital is a very, very, very deep field. People take it कि ठीक है ऊपर से देख लिया, I know this thing, but actually you ask them, ठीक है, जिन लोगों ने agency start करी, just ask them a very simple question: how many clients you have and what are the results that you're given to the clients? There are two different things. It's like social media handling and campaign creation and the campaign execution. Just tell them कि if you run any campaign for any client, ठीक है, just give me an analysis report. What kind of campaign that you run and what is the analysis? Two simple things. If they're able to provide it, I can say कि they have done the very good work. And I can tell you honestly, so it's very practically impossible कि ये चीजें